has a place. Nothing here is random. Everything follows a pattern. Every element has an address. Every family has a name. Learn the hidden pattern, and chemistry becomes your game. Come along, let's sing together.
The periodic table
makes science better.
The periodic table is nature's special map. Every known element has its own perfect place.
Hydrogen starts the journey. Oganesson ends the line.
Every element belongs. Nothing is left behind.
No lucky guessing,
No random chance.
everything follows
Nature's perfect plan. Periodic table,
Sing with me
patterns everywhere.
for us to see.
Every element,
Finds its place.
learning chemistry.
Is an exciting race. Now let's learn the golden rule. The modern periodic law guides the whole table. Every element is arranged by atomic number.
Atomic number means
The number of protons inside the nucleus. 1 proton,
hydrogen starts,
2 protons,
helium joins,
3 protons,
lithium comes,
4 protons. Beryllium follows the atomic number.
keeps increasing
As it
the
increases,
properties.
repeat again. That repeating pattern is called periodicity.
Atomic number
1,
2,
3
every element.
finds its family.
Atomic number,
One by one,
that's how.
the table is done.
Remember this, the modern periodic table is arranged by atomic number, not by atomic mass.
Atomic number
Never changes,
for an element.
that's why.
The modern table works so well. Now let's travel across the table.
From left to right,
These horizontal rows are called.
periods,
There are
7 periods.
in the modern periodic table. Every new period starts filling.
A new electron shell
More shells,
usually mean
larger atoms.
rows are periods.
Left to right,
Every new row,
a shell in sight.
rows are periods.
Left to right,
7 rows.
build the table right.
Now let's count the periods together.
Period 1,
Has 2 elements
hydrogen.
and helium.
Period 2,
Has 8 elements.
period 3,
Has 8 again.
periods 4
And 5.
have 18 each.
Period 6 and 7 can hold 32 each. 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, 32.
Sing these numbers,
Clap in time
they'll stay with you.
every time.
2 tiny stars begin the show.
8 bright friends,
Join the row,
8 more follow.
hand in hand.
18 builders,
Across the land, another 18 march with pride. 32 dreamers walk side by side.
32 more.
Complete the way. That's how the periods grow today.
The first shell can hold only
2 electrons
the next shell can hold more. So the periods
become longer.
more orbitals,
More electrons.
more elements.
That's why
The lower periods
contain more atoms. Atomic number
builds the table.
rows are called periods.
Every new period,
Starts a new shell.
more shells.
Usually larger atoms.
Remember the pattern,
Don't just memorize.
understand the pattern.
And chemistry comes alive. We've learned the golden rule.
We've learned the 7 periods.
Next comes the vertical journey.
We'll meet the group groups,
the chemical families,
and the famous members who make the periodic table come alive.
Welcome back. We've learned the rows, now let's learn the columns. Rows are called periods, columns are called groups.
Every group is a chemical family.
Let's meet the families today.
Vertical columns are called groups. There are 18 groups in the periodic table.
One group,
One family,
one family.
one chemistry.
Why do they behave alike?
Here's the secret.
The outermost electrons are called valence electrons. Elements in the same group
Have the same number
of valence electrons.
same valence electrons.
Similar reactions.
That's why
Every group,
acts like
one happy family.
same group,
Same family,
same valence electrons,
same chemistry,
same group.
same family.
That's the secret of chemistry.
Group 1, the alkaline metals. Every member has one.
Valence electron
That one electron.
is lost easily.
Lose one electron. Positive one is formed. Little soldiers prefer running.
Carefully fast.
Little soldiers prefer running.
Carefully fast.
Lithium is little, small but bright. Sodium becomes the brave soldier.
Potassium we prefer.
Strong and steady. Rubidium comes running with joy.
Cesium says.
Walk carefully.
Francium finishes.
Lightning fast.
One valence electron.
Easy to lose.
Lose one electron.
Positive one is produced.
The alkali metals
Become more reactive.
as we move
Down the group.
next come
Group 2, the alkaline earth metals.
Every member has two.
Valence electrons
Both electrons
can be lost.
lose both electrons.
Positive 2 is formed.
Be my cool, strong, brave rider.
Be my cool, strong
Brave rider.
Beryllium says.
Be yourself.
Magnesium smiles.
You are my friend.
Calcium stays.
Cool and calm.
Strontium grows.
Strong every day.
Barium is.
Brave and bold.
Radium rides away.
A fearless rider. Two valence electrons.
Easy to lose.
Lose both electrons.
Positive 2 is produced.
Group 2 metals.
Are reactive too.
But less reactive.
Then group 1. Now we cross
To group 13.
the boron family.
Every member has three.
Valence electrons.
They usually lose.
3 electrons.
Forming
Positive 3 ions.
brave aliens. Gather Indian toys. Brave aliens. Gather Indian toys.
Boron is brave.
Never afraid.
Aluminium meets the friendly alien.
Gallium loves to gather friends.
Indium travels across India.
Thallium brings
Wonderful toys.
now the boron family.
Is easy to enjoy.
Three valence electrons.
Usually lost.
Positive 3.
Is often formed.
The boron family.
Starts the pBlock, opening a brand new part of the table. Next comes
Group 14.
carbon family.
Every member has 4.
Valence electrons. Instead of losing,
Or gaining 4.
they often
Share.
electrons.
Sharing electrons.
Makes covalent bonds.
Carbon
The first member
is the foundation.
of life.
Cute sisters.
Get smart pets.
Cute sisters.
Get smart pets.
Carbon looks cute.
With a smiling face.
Silicon has
A lovely sister.
germanium likes to get things done.
Tin is smart and clever.
Lead brings a playful pet.
Now the carbon family
is easy to remember. 4 valence electrons
love to share,
sharing electrons
makes covalent bond.
carbon leads this amazing family.
Life on Earth depends on carbon.
Group 1 lose 1, group 2 lose 2, group 13
Usually lose 3.
group 14 love to share.
One pattern, many families,
The periodic table
makes chemistry.
easy to understand.
We've met the first 4 families.
Next we'll discover
Groups 15,
16,
17.
and 18.
We'll also learn
Why some atoms gain electrons,
while others.
stay perfectly stable.
Welcome back. We've crossed half the table. Now let's meet the last 4 great families and discover the 4 amazing blocks of the periodic table. Group 15, the nitrogen family. Every member has 5 valence electrons to complete the outer shell. They need 3 more electrons, so they often share electrons, or sometimes
Gain 3 electrons. Naughty pirates always steal biscuits. Naughty pirates always steal biscuits.
nitrogen is naughty, playing little tricks. Phosphorus becomes a fearless pirate.
Arsenic says
Always be curious. Antimony tries
to steal the treasure.
Bismuth smiles, sharing biscuits with everyone.
Now the nitrogen family
Is easy to remember. 5 valence electrons
need 3 more,
usually share.
sometimes gain 3.
That's the story of Group 15. Next comes Group 16, the oxygen family.
Every member has 6
Valence electrons, only 2 more are needed.
to complete the outer shell.
So they often gain
2 electrons
or share them.
in covalent bonds.
Old sailors sail towards
Paradise,
old sailors.
sail towards paradise.
Oxygen grows old,
Wise and kind,
sulfur becomes a cheerful sailor.
selenium loves to sail the seas.
Tellurium points to
Towards the sunrise,
polonium dreams of paradise.
now the oxygen family
Is
easy to remember.
6 valence electrons,
Need 2 more,
gain 2 electrons.
or happily share.
Negative 2 is commonly formed. Group 17, the halogens.
Every member has 7.
Valence electrons
Only 1 more is needed,
to complete the outer shell.
so they easily
Gain 1 electron.
That is why
They usually form
-1 ions
funny clowns.
bring ice.
Always,
Funny clown bring ice,
always. Fluorine is funny.
making everyone laugh.
Chlorine becomes the happy clown.
Bromine loves to bring surprises.
Iodine makes cool.
Cool ice
Astatine says
always stay together.
now every halogen is easy to remember.
7 valence electrons need 1 more, gain 1 electron.
-1 is formed.
The halogens are very reactive.
Non-metals finally comes Group
18
the noble gases, their outer shell.
is already full,
A full outer shell
makes atoms
very stable.
stable. Atoms
Rarely gain or
lose electrons,
so they hardly
react at all. Happy new artists keep xylophones ringing onward. artist key, xylophone ringing onward.
Helium is happy,
Floating through the sky,
neon looks new.
lighting every sign.
Argon paints like an artist.
Krypton loves to keep secrets.
Xenon plays the xylophone.
Radon keeps ringing the bell,
Oganescent walks onward with pride.
completing the noble family.
Helium is a special case.
It has only 2 electrons.
The first shell can hold.
Only 2 electrons.
So helium,
Is already complete.
just like the other noble gases,
Outer shell full,
already stable.
no need to gain.
No need to lose.
That's why
The noble gases.
hardly react.
Now let's see how the table is divided. The last electron,
Decides the block
if the last electron
enters.
ends orbital.
The element belongs to the sBlock.
If it enters,
A p orbital, it belongs to the pBlock.
if it enters,
A d orbital,
it belongs to the dBlock.
if it enters,
An f orbital,
it belongs to the fBlock.
sBlock.
pBlock, dBlock, fBlock.
The last electron,
Chooses the block, sBlock, pBlock, dBlock.
remember this.
Around the clock,
The sBlock starts the journey.
standing proudly on the left.
The pBlock finishes the journey.
Standing calmly on the right.
The dBlock builds the breach, strong in the middle.
The fBlock,
Lives below,
like 2 hidden rows.
waiting to glow.
Groups 1 and 2,
Make the sBlock.
groups 13 to 18.
Make the pBlock.
The middle transition metals form the dBlock.
Lanthanides,
And actinides form the fBlock.
group 1,
Loose 1,
group 2,
loose 2,
group 13, usually lose 3.
group 14,
Love to share,
group 15,
need 3 more.
group 16, need 2 more,
Group 17,
need 1 more,
group 18.
need no more.
Now every family,
Has its own story,
now every family.
has its own chemistry.
Atomic number builds the table. Rows are periods, columns are groups.
Group share,
Valence electrons
valence electrons.
control